Hello everyone, let me ask you something. What if your AI could actually do things in the real world? Not just talk, not just explain, but actually act, book meetings, fetch data, control systems. That's what this is about. This is the difference between AI that knows things versus AI that gets things done. And the battle we are talking about today is MCP versus API. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Your AI is kind of stuck. It's like a genius locked in a box. It knows a lot, but only until its training cut off. Ask it what's today's weather? No answer. Check my company database. No. Book a meeting. No way. It just goes, I'm sorry, I can't access that. Which is like hiring a genius employee and then not giving them Wi Fi. AI agents need data, tools, access. Otherwise, they are just really smart statues. So, how did we solve this before? APIs. Sounds great until reality hits. Because every API is different. Different formats, different authentication, different endpoints. So, what do developers do? Build adapters for every single integration. That's what it feels like. You are basically this poor guy trying to connect 10 different cables to 10 different systems, and none of them fit. APIs are powerful, but they don't scale elegantly for AI. Then comes MCP, and the easiest way to understand it is this: it's USB C for AI. Think about your laptop. One port connects to monitor, storage, charger, different devices, same standard. Now imagine doing that with AI. One standard, multiple tools, seamless connection, no chaos, no custom wiring, just plug and play. Let's translate that analogy. Your AI agent equals to the laptop. MCP protocol equals to the cable. MCP servers equals the devices. So instead of writing custom integrations, your AI just connects through MCP and instantly understands how to interact. It's still client server, but now it's standardized, which is a magic word here. Now, what can MCP actually do? It gives AI three superpowers: tools, resources, prompts. Let's break that down. Tools, actions like get weather, create event, etc. Resources, data files, documents, database entries. Then prompts, templates, predefined ways to ask things. Think of it like this: tools equal to hands, resources equals knowledge, prompts equals instructions. Together, they make AI useful. And now, the real magic. This is the moment where MCP becomes insane. The AI can literally ask, hey, what can you do? And the server responds, here are all my tools, data, and capabilities. No developer needed, no redeploy, no updates. It's like hiring an employee and they instantly learn every tool in your company just by walking in the door. That's wild. Meanwhile, APIs are still doing their thing and they are great. They follow a simple system: get to fetch the data, post to create the data, put to update the data, and delete to remove the data. Clean, logical, powerful. But here is the catch: you must know exactly what to call and how to call it. APIs don't teach you, they expect you to already know. So let's compare. APIs, general purpose, manual, custom per service. MCP, built for AI, dynamic, standardized. This is the key shift from developer driven integration to AI driven integration. That's a huge leap. And here is the twist: They are not enemies, they are layers. MCP doesn't replace APIs, it actually uses them. MCP equals smart interface. API equals heavy lifting underneath. So MCP is basically saying, hey AI, don't worry about the messy details. I'll handle that for you. So what does this all mean? APIs equals building blocks. MCP equals the connector. And that's the big idea here. Build once, integrate everywhere. Your AI can now connect to Google Maps, Spotify, databases, enterprise systems without rewriting everything. And that's why this isn't just a technical shift, it's a paradigm shift. AI is no longer just answering questions, it's starting to take action. And MCP is what turns AI from a brain into a doer. If you like this video and want to watch more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.